I'm going to show you how to draw a ghost. This should be pretty easy to draw. I'm going to be using my graphic tablet, but you can do the same thing with a pen, a pencil, and a paper, and it'll work just the same. So I'll be using my graphic tablet and my pen to draw it, and Inkscape. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is go to the calligraphy tool. And if you want the instructions and the settings, you'll find that at the bottom of this. I'll have like a link or the instructions. So you can see all the settings that I use, and the instructions will be like a picture by picture of instructions to follow along with that you can print out and use whenever you want. All right, so we're on the calligraphy tool, and I'm going to make an upside down U. Ooh, pretty simple. I'll make a little backward C for his left hand, another little C for his right hand. It doesn't have to be the same size. It's okay. Not everything's the same on everybody. And I'll make like a little curvy line there. I'm going to bring it up, a little swoop, and here to connect it. And now I'm going to do two little circles, one on the left, one on the right, for his eyes, or her eyes, and a little circular shape for the mouth. So that's our easy outline for our ghost. And now we can color her in with the paint bucket tool. So I'll come over here. Well, first I'm going to select, and then I'll click on the paint bucket tool. And then I'll just click on the black color and fill that in. And the same thing with the eyes. And that's it. I told you it was going to be easy. That's our ghost. So if you want this printable, just click on the down below. You'll find the printable, and you'll find the instructions, and you'll find all the settings so that you can make the same. You can also save this as an SVG and use it for lots of different crafts. I hope you like that.